Now you can start.
She's fine, sweetheart.
Go ahead.
Can I start?
Yes, ma'am. You may start. Yes, go ahead.
There's one.
Hey, you better look up. You better look up. Go in, back in the hallway and look up.
What's that? What did he bring you?
I got just like Mickey got.
Really? Is that what Mickey got?
Yeah, that is what he got.
Wow. You're doing so great. You're doing so good, huh? I got that one.
Thank you.
Easter Bunny hides the wake up.
You think he's playing around with you?
Yeah,
You think he's joking around?
I think he is.
How did he hide everything so well?
I need to write this one. Fun. And again. And again. And
Oopsies.
Oopsie
You're listening to Easel out some for you.
I mean, Oopsie Minnie. Mom, I get Oopsie Minnie.
I know.
Check your easel real good. Check your easel real good. I'm getting sneaky over here. Okay.
Evie, come here to me for a second.
Not done.
You're getting a lot of eggs this morning. You must have been very, very good.
I have. And there
Let Dad take the picture. Where's your basket? Take a picture with me in your basket.
1, 2. Look at the camera, Evie.
hiding and what's the point? Come on, let's keep going. I got another Easter treat. Oh, just like Mickey. He only got one of these, but I got 2 of them.
Nice song. Wow, Eve, there's so many eggs. I found one.
Okay, you. Then take one for me.
You're welcome. Gosh, your basket's getting so heavy.
but I'm a bird, so I'm not stopping picking Easter eggs.
Hey, Dad, take your time out. Do this one for me. I think we got enough. Let me go do this real quick.
Yay, I got a Lala Lucy toy, Daddy.
Did you? You didn't even notice that. Hey, look on that shelf over there. See if there's an egg on that shelf over there.
Oh, you saw your teeth then. Wow. I found another one over here. It's not on the shelf.
I just see what did it. Well, Easter Bunny.
What down?
I just get Easter Bunny to bend down and put that egg right there.
I found another one.
Where?
Oh, I see it too.
It's on the ground.
Oh. Sparkly milk taste. I didn't see that one.
Guess what, Evie? Mommy already has a recipe for all those Easter eggs.
Evie, who's this from?
Here, you can sit right here.
It's too heavy?
Oh.
Hey, I need
You may want to,
more Easter.
yeah, you may want to check around in the hallway a little bit. There may be some more in the hallway.
But maybe there's some in your room.
No.
I think the bunny went in Mommy's room. Mommy was asleep. He only comes to see this little girl. Princess Minnie.